Ooh, yo, check it out. I gutted out the forest, made a ATV camping so we can camp. I also had campfires and everything. I got my cars parked back here in the camp trail. So everything organized neat. I got them in the camp trail. So I can park I can park two right here. Yeah, so, it was beneficial for me to cut out the camp trail. I can park a car right here. Park one right here, two right here, three right here, and park about 6 cars over here. You know what I'm saying? Back in the trail. But yeah, see, moms do get to tripping. You feel me? That's just something you gotta do. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Make room. Show them more than one way to do something. You know what I'm saying? See, so I got my car parked back here in the trail. I can park cars here, back here, all the way back. I can go all the way back. Go all the way back with cars. I can put 4 cars right here. So that's my truck. Got a real nigga. Here's your boy James. Jake Woo Woo Junior, boy. Let's get it organized, man. Let's do what we gotta do around that bit. You feel me? So I'm in the camp trail. See? Car can go right here. Easy. Part one right here. Could clean this out right here. Clean this out. Clean this out. Got a little walk path right here. I can walk up through here. Got one car here. Got another car right here. And got my other car right here. Got my truck right there. My big boy, my flatbed. Got my GMC, my 97 right there. Which I'm gonna pull it, I'm gonna bring it back. And got Tasha car right here. And got Don truck. I'm gonna customize and paint it right here. See, that's the trail. See, I can go all the way in the trail. See, as y'all can see. See, I done cut this too. See, I got this cut out. So pretty much, car can go right here. I start cutting and gutting this out right here. Park cars right here. Park car right here. Park car right here. Park car right here. Park another car right here. See y'all on reflect. That's how it look. Back here in the back. I gotta clean that, man. Tasha helped me out a little bit. She ain't give up on me. But yeah, it's another area. Cars can be parked there right here. Long ass driveway. You feel me? Yeah, your boy Jake Woo Woo Junior. Boy, let's get right, man. Yeah, keys on deck. Out here by the pool. Mama sitting right there. Tasha sitting right there. Chewing a little something. Well, I feel like something crawling on me. Got that whole spot right here too. I'm gonna go all the way around. My other camera.
I'll call you when I get all this stuff.
Yeah.